Hello, our lovely viewers. Today we are here cleaning our poultry house. As a routine, we remove the droppings and the husks on a weekly basis to make sure that our hygiene is maintained to prevent diseases from attacking our birds. As you can see, we have Teacher Ann and Shalom, who is in holidays. Yeah, an upcoming poultry farmer. Our birds are here. Because they now have freedom while we are cleaning. Thank you for watching us. You can hit a like and share, and also subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.